Welcome to 593 Flat Creek Drive. This awesome 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 1-car garage, hardwood flooring downstairs, a downstairs master, as well as granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. It sits on a cul-de-sac street in the Hawkins Creek subdivision in Blythewood, convenient to Northeast Columbia amenities, as well as I-77 and a quick commute to Fort Jackson. So we are out front. You can see the home, as we saw, sits on a cul-de-sac street here. You have a 2-car wide driveway leading to the 1-car garage. You have some stacked stone accenting around the garage and on the columns out front, as well as some cedar shingling. A covered front porch here as you enter as well. And just some nice landscaping out front also. So we step into the foyer, the entry of the home. And as you enter here, you have, if we can get the door closed, you have a coat closet as soon as you step in, as well as the laundry room. So it's a full-size laundry room. You have a door here that closes that off. Plenty of space and some shelving above, even a window out to the front porch for some natural light. And then in the foyer itself, you have just a window above the door and some nice updated lighting in here. And you can see the hardwood flooring starts here in the entry and continues throughout the main living area as well. Kitchen is here to our left as we come in, and on the left here you have a nice organization area or stash center with charging and some shelving for phones, keys, devices, things as you come in the front door. And then you have a nice open kitchen here, wood cabinets and stainless steel appliances, as well as granite countertops. You also have recessed lighting. There is an included stainless steel side-by-side refrigerator, above range microwave, smooth top electric stove, and dishwasher. And then you also do have a nice size, sort of a small corner walk-in pantry as well for great extra food storage. And then opposite that, before we get into the living room, you have access to the 1-car garage. So you have a tankless water heater. You can control that from in here temperature-wise. You also have, of course, you can see just the lights in the garage door and opener in there as well. Also a water shutoff, as well as any sprinkler controls. And then here to the right, you have a powder room or half bathroom. Those floors continue into there, and you have a pedestal sink and commode. And then you have dining area here on the other side of the kitchen. You have a counter bar. It's a high bar, and then vaulted ceilings in the living room itself. It's a nice size living or family room. A lot of natural light coming in, and a what looks like a gas log fireplace, or possibly electric at the. Actually, I believe that is gas log. I believe I did see the actual venting outside. So you can see nice high vaulted ceilings in here, and then the double sort of window / door view out to the back, where you have a nice patio, and that sort of wraps around here a bit as well for some good patio space off the back of the home. Backyard is not fully fenced, but you do benefit from some neighboring fencing, so everything except for the front sides. So it is nice and private sort of to the rear. And then back inside, as we mentioned, you also do have your master bedroom suite or your main suite on the first level. So nice size master bedroom here. Can accommodate a full-size bed, a king-size bed. And then you also have the adjoining bathroom with granite countertops. Nice big mirror there. And then also behind the door, your garden tub. And a separate standing walk-in shower, as well as a walk-in closet back here as well, which is really nice size. You have hanging space on those 2 walls, and then some more organizers and shelving on that wall. And then the remainder of the 3 bedrooms are upstairs. So we have hardwood treads on the stairs as we go up. And then the rest of the space, as is the master downstairs, is carpeted. So we'll just sort of cycle around left here, starting with this bedroom. So this is bedroom. We probably call this one bedroom number 4, probably the smallest of those, but does have a nice sized closet, as you can see, and some possible attic access over there. Another bedroom upstairs, and then these last 2 bedrooms we're showing are both front facing. This one does have a walk-in closet, which is nice. Another bedroom here, and this one also has the attic pull down, maybe storage in there as well, and also a walk-in closet in this one. So you have walk-ins in 3 of the 4 bedrooms in the home. And then at the end of the hall here, your linen closet. And then last but not least, you have the bathroom, which has the double sinks, granite countertops, as well as separate room for the shower and tub and commode in here. And then we'll just give you another view of the bathroom and lighting from this angle. So that pretty much completes our tour of this home, 593 Flat Creek Drive in Blythewood. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.